Welcome back to the FlipNerd.com REI Classroom, where experts from across the real estate investing industry teach you quick lessons to take your business to the next level. And now, let's meet today's expert host.
Hey everyone, Patrick Donohoe here from ParadigmLife.net, and I'm going to give you guys the REI Classroom a little tip today on what I call keeping score.
This REI Classroom real estate lesson is sponsored by FlipNerd Investor Coaching, your blueprint to investing success.
So keeping score is basically about understanding what's going on with your finances from a logical perspective. And so being a financial advisor and basically in strategizing and consulting with people on what to do with their money, it is really important to track, not from an emotional standpoint, but from a logical standpoint. And that's what I really see with real estate investors, especially those that have had properties for a while, that there's this emotional connection that comes with things, whether it's a car or whether it's a toy for children or whether it's, there's so many different examples there, but really the emotional side of things you have to be cautious of, especially when it comes to rental property, because you want to buy a property for a rental property, an investment property, really for the financial benefits, not the emotional benefits. Now, if you're going to go that route, that's totally fine. But typically investors don't get into property to lose money. They get into actually make money. So the understanding of a pro forma and also really, I would say, objective software, not necessarily an Excel spreadsheet, but an objective software is going to help you really understand what you're buying if you're getting into a property, how to analyze it and so forth. But it's also going to help you track it over time. Because looking at, there's a good friend of mine, Jason Hartman, that I know has been on this classroom before, and he talks about the 1% rule, and that's a good benchmark to understand when it comes to rent to value. So if you have a $100,000 property, $1,000 a month gross rent, that's really kind of a benchmark. And once you start to have a property that goes up in value, let's say it goes to 200,000, but it's still renting for 1,000, that's really a time where the rate of return is no longer desirable based on the value of the property. And that's a good signal to be able to sell 1031 exchange into 2 properties, 3 properties that have those type of measurements. So there's a few software programs that I've seen out there that, and they're a dime a dozen, but the ones that I've seen are Property Tracker, also Quicken, which is owned by Intuit, which is the biggest software or financial software or accounting software out there these days. They have a rental property tracker now. So Quicken has one. And I've heard it's pretty good. I've never used it. And also you can resort to the traditional bookkeeper, the guy that's going to charge you $100 a month, but he's going to reconcile, he's going to balance everything, he's going to keep it all organized, and really help you understand really where your initial investment is and whether you should keep it there or not. Okay, so make sure you measure, make sure you have all of your ducks in a row when it comes to the metrics associated with your money, because that's what's going to help you build wealth and get ahead. And that's it for today. If you want to learn more about my company, my website's www.paradigmlife.net.
The FlipNerd Investor Coaching Program is America's most robust real estate investor training and designed for your success. If you're ready to roll up your sleeves, ready to take personal responsibility for your own success, and ready to dive into a world-class instructional coaching program that provides you step-by-step instruction to help you achieve financial freedom, then you need to visit flipnerd.com/coaching to learn more. Spaces are limited. Whether your goal is to simply get started or to take your business to the next level, you may be a fit for our life-changing program. Learn more today at flipnerd.com/coaching. Please note, the views and opinions expressed by the individuals in this program do not necessarily reflect those of flipnerd.com or any of its partners, advertisers, or affiliates. Please consult professionals before making any investment or tax decisions, as real estate investing can be risky. Are you a member yet of flipnerd.com, the hottest real estate investing social community online? If not, you can join for free in less than 30 seconds and get access to hundreds of off-market deals, vendors in your market to help you in your business. And you can start networking with thousands of other investors just like you. Get your free account now at flipnerd.com. Please check out the FlipNerd family of real estate investing shows, where you can access hundreds of expert interviews, quick tips, and lessons from leaders across the real estate investing industry. They're available at flipnerd.com/shows or simply search for Flip Nerd in the iTunes Store.